So after a Windows update, my Chrome stopped having sound when I was trying to watch things on YouTube or any kind of sound whatsoever. There was just no sound. So whatever the update had done, it had stopped sound coming through. Now when you click on the speaker icon, there was definitely sound on the computer. So I thought, well, I'll maybe try different settings in Chrome, but nothing seemed to help. So I tried a different web browser. I went onto Mozilla Firefox. Lo and behold, the sound was working on that browser.
These two are the sunshine in our home.
So it's definitely something that Microsoft Update has done to Chrome. So you can see here the sound playing perfectly fine on Mozilla Firefox, but there's no sound on Chrome. So how do we fix it? Well, it's really simple. I'll go back to Chrome. Now, no sound as you can see. When you go to your speaker icon here, you can left click and you get the sound. Well, instead of left clicking it, if you right click it, you'll see the mixer controls. Go into the mixer controls and lo and behold, Chrome has been muted. Unmute it and you'll have sound back again exactly as it should be. Very easy fix if you know where to go and how to click for it. So remember, on the speaker item, bottom right, right click on it and then adjust the mixer so that you're not muting Microsoft Chrome. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.